All right, man, we back. Day 2 installing these heads. We already got this side torqued down. Yeah, if you want to know what's going on, I ain't going over nothing I already went over. So if you want to know what's going on, go to the video before this. We on to this side. I ain't even gonna get into it. That's how we gonna do that. We on to this side. I'm finna torque them down and we'll be back. I'm finna do a little time lapse too. I'm gonna let y'all check it out. All right. All right, we got them all torqued down, 22 foot-pounds. Here come the fun part. Here come the fun part. I'm gonna show it to y'all. Right? And I'm gonna let you comment some bullshit, and I ain't gonna delete your comment. I promise. I'm gonna show it to y'all. Here we go. Here we go. All right, we got them torqued down 90 degrees. We're finna double back for the 50 degrees. It's gonna be tough. It's gonna take a lot of strength. Yeah, and plus we eyeballing. But I'm finna let y'all see it. Like I said, we going back. Hey, I'm gonna be honest. I ain't do this on purpose. I ain't press play on the time lapse when I got to 50 degrees. And I promise, I ain't do that on purpose. I promise I wanted y'all to see. I promise. I wanted y'all to see. But I ain't press play. But nevertheless, the heads is on and they torqued down. Can you say D-O-N-E? Huh? Heads is on, baby. They torqued down. We're gonna go ahead and get these push rods on and these rocker arms. Man, I promise, man, I did not do that on purpose. I did not do that on purpose, man. I wanted y'all to see those 50-degree angles. But yeah, it's done. Yes, sir. All right, we lubed up the push rods. We're finna install them right now. All right, we got push rods lubed. Yes, sir. All right, we got push rods in. Like I said, man, we got push rods is longer than stock just in case we want, you know, bigger stuff, bigger and better. You dig? But everything in, man. The head's torque, push rods in. I'm so excited, man. I'm trying to keep my composure because I'm on this camera, man. But this truck been down 3 years. Yeah, I done had a bunch of cars in my day, a whole bunch of them, but this was my first car note. So it got a little sentimental value to me. You did? But yeah, man, we getting closer and closer and closer and closer. So we're gonna get the these rocker arms on. We're gonna spray them down with some parts cleaner. And get these rocker arms on. All right, we got the rocker arms in. Everything coming together, baby. Tell them valve springs, you know. Man, it's looking good. Yes, sir. We finna put these other side on. We're working a good time right now. So all we're gonna do is put the valve covers on, and we're gonna put this bracket on. And maybe the water pump. All right, so we got the rocker arms torqued down. We got rocker arms torqued down. Everything looking good, man. Yes, sir. We went ahead and changed out these bolts for the timing cover too. Gold bolts, they fit great. They fit a whole lot better than the OEM ones. I was able to hand tighten them, and and come back with my wrench. But I was able to hand tighten them all the way down. So I like these bolts. They worked out. It was tough trying to get that bottom bolt in there, but you'll figure it out if you're trying to do it. But yeah, man, we got everything put back together. We're gonna put these valve covers on because yeah, we're just trying to keep everything clean. Put the valve covers on. I'm gonna take the coil packs and the coil pack bracket with me and clean them up. And yeah, man, we looking good. I'm gonna put this I'm putting this alternator bracket on and the water pump on, just so I can see how I look up front. You know what I mean? Just so I can see how good it look, man. But yeah, we locked it, loaded. Everything look good, man. Check it out. Man, them gold bolts popping. Man, I wish I could have found gold bolts for everything. I was looking for gold alternator bracket bolts, and the water pump bolts, they don't have them. But I got stainless bolts from there for those two from ICT Billet. I'm finna put those on right now, so I can get one good pick of how everything look before it get too dark.